When certain outdoor temperature and dew point conditions exist during the winter, the outdoor coil temperature may drop to a level that requires the system to switch into the defrost mode. The unfortunate side effect is your system will blow cold air while in the defrost cycle. This is normal. Do not shut the system off during this time. Once the defrost cycle is satisfied, the system will return to normal heating operation. This process usually takes 10 to 20 minutes and will happen most often in the early morning when outdoor temperatures are coldest and most homeowners are trying to warm the home by a couple of degrees.